Hello, so today I will show you how to make a cardboard dice. So for this I have taken cardboard sheet of paper, cardboards of equal sizes 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this side is all plain and this side is like this. So first what I will do is keep this side like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this line only, one more, and I will take these two ones and put on the second cardboard. So it will look like this and it will go like this at the end. So now when I have all this with me, what I will do next is I will take this all placed, I will take the tape and just tape it, and I am taking scotch tape for this. So I have this tape and I will just tape it. Tape the sides one by one, half this side, half this side, so in the middle. So take the tape one by one and just tape it. Make a proper joint like this. Just tape it. And here also just do the same thing. Bring this close and just tape it. Next is this. And the last one is this. So you can take any box and you can just cut into the size cardboard box or cardboard, anything that you have with you. So now when I am this ready with the taping, I will just take this and this up and I will just join. Take this and this side, just tape it. Just take this, move closer to you and just tape it. this side. Basically we just need to tape all the sides here and the dice will be ready then. Just get the tape and just tape it. And next just tape it, and the next just tape it, and let's see if we miss any side. Oh yeah, this side is missed, so it's okay, it's ready, and I'll just tape this side. So our cardboard dice is now all ready to play with. And now what I will do is just mark the numbers here. So I have this round thing with me, so I will just mark the numbers with this. Put the numbers on the dice. So I will just make a round with this pencil. One. So here 4. It's very simple to make for the kids and they can play very easily with it. You can play any board game or any kind of activity, fun activity game with them and for them. And here 6. So we make 6 rounds here. I need to go more up. Yeah, here. So 6. 1. 2 and 3. 4. 5. And 6. And then 3. 4. let's make this one first and then I will make the middle one. Now it's ready. So here 2 and 5. And it's done now. So I have these markers with me now, so I will just color these rounds, these circles. Just make outline and then you can color with this. So you can take any color of your choice to color it. It's up to you. If you want to paste colored sheet, then it's up to you. But for this activity I am using this color to color all these markers. So I'm just making an outline for this and I will just color it in. And you can use different color markers for the numbers as well. For different numbers you can use different markers if you want different colors. So the kids can also learn the colors also with this dice. Numbers also and colors, they can learn many things with this, and it's fun too to play with this dice. So now the next. So now when it's ready with coloring, so what you can do, if you want, you can outline the circle with round with a dark marker if you want, to make it more clear and more specific. So if you want, you can do like this. You can take a dark color marker and just so it will come like this, and it's more proper finished. So take one by one, and you can just do like this. So it will come like this when it's all done. So you can correct it if it's not so neat, so you can just correct it. It's okay. So I will do the same thing in all of them. So it's all ready and ready to play. So here is our dice ready with its numbers all ready. And kids can play with this. And I have used only single color, but you can use any color of your choice for this part or this part. It's up to you.